And again, but doesn't need any introduction. So, Sinoban.
Any teach Ayanatoga Kekana.
Anatoka Kekan. So, ngicela ukubuza question ne. Ngicela ukubuza question ukuthi i-revival iqala isikhathi bani izolo?
12:30.
Deni
12:30 a.m. this morning.
Ngathi ukhosho ngeanswer yakho so.
I am sure of my answer. Ngilindi make isuke.
Ne.
Yes. Ibuyele kuwe so you can ask the next question.
Ask me the next question. Okay, can I ask you the next question ne? Ubani owamkele uFefe i-revival mayiphela?
It was the vice president of the district, Highfield and Eswatini.
Ne.
Yeah.
And then who prayed before?
Sister Mlibuheng.
Yeah?
Sister Mlibuheng.
We are pure system.
I don't know what circuit she's from.
Mlewing? Okay. The last question. The last question. Ne? We have India Kolwa nesakudumisa. Ne? Angithi mina ngicela ungitshela ukuthi igcobani ikupitch bani.
Yeah, bengifonela. Yeah, no, ubuyela ngaphandle neza.
Uyeza?
Neza.
Yeah.
Pitch bani.
Yes.
Kulungi page.
No, like I'm coming.